Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about delta P pressure sensors, right? You'll get a code on the dash indicating that you may have an after treatment issue or soot will get built up in these ports, and you guys can blow them out and then put it back on and see if that will clear up the problem. So today I have a 2019 Freightliner Cascadia. I want to point out exactly where the delta P pressure sensor is located on the Venturi pipe, and then a few things that you might need. I believe it's a 13mm socket, 2 bolts, and then a plug. And then when you look down in the Venturi pipe, you'll see some holes and blow those out. And then what you'll do is put the delta P pressure sensor back on it and force it into a park regen, as long as the truck will allow you to do it, to see if that will resolve the problem. So let's hop right into that. All right guys, so I'm on top of the motor, right? Towards the center part of the motor right here is your delta P pressure sensor. So what you're gonna do is, see this little yellow clip? You're gonna pry that up, use a flathead screwdriver. If you guys remember my other videos about the clip, just wiggle, don't just pry, because what you don't want to do is break the plastic. So just wiggle, then once you get your hand in there, as you can see, it just came right off. Move that off to the side. And then I'm going to use my ratchet, right? 10mm, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Don't lose your bolts. Just like that. And you wiggle, and you'll see that's your delta P pressure sensor. So what you want to do is, with your air gun, blow this part out, and then blow these out. When you look up here, you'll see 2 little ports, right? This is your Venturi pipe. Just put the end in and blow. What happens is, when it's reading pressure, you get buildup with too much soot in here, and that'll throw a code. And this is something simple you guys can do. Just remember a few things, right? Be careful when you pull out the bolts and these 2 green seals. Sometimes they'll stick to it, or they're just, as you can see right here on the manifold itself on the Venturi pipe. If they fall, just try to find where they're at and put them back, or else you're gonna be replacing the seals. And then you do the same thing back in reverse, right? To put it back on. And I always start my bolts with my fingers, so what you do is to avoid cross-threading. What you don't want to do is create more work for yourself just because you ram it down with a tool by accident and then cross thread. Then you're going to take more of it out just to replace the pipe and cost you more money. And then tighten. Just like that. And see, just goes right back on. So, and then just squeeze, wiggle, and that clip will go down just like so. So just remember, if you see a pressure issue with the after treatment, let's try there. Clear out the delta P pressure sensor, force it in a park regen, and see if the code's clear, because if it does, then you're on your way again. Guys, if you have any questions, please leave a comment at the bottom. If you like what you saw, don't forget to pound that like button. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to save you some money.